No, obviously not. This is Soundarya Reddy Dietitian bringing you my channel to grow healthier in very easy way. This channel will make you to learn to turn your favorite food meals into a healthier way. So I compile health, food, fitness and home remedies for weight management, delicious food recipes and many more diet and nutritional tips. During this pandemic situation, many people had become their own great chef. Yeah, yes. So, we see people updating recipes of creamy, yummy to tummy, and many more. So, follow me to transform yourself from junkies to healthy junkies. Sooner, I'm gonna update videos. So, my dear healthy junkies, ring the bell icon, like the button, share and subscribe to my channel. So keep twinkling and blinking your eyes for my further video updates. Thank you for watching my video.